If you have any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment section. Today video is about Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Taigun crash test result out. In India, the Skoda Kushaq is priced starting at 11.29 lakh rupees ex-showroom, whereas the Taigun has a starting price of 11.56 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Taigun scored 29.64 points in adult occupant protection out of a total score of 34. In the child occupant protection, both mid-size SUVs scored 42 points out of a maximum of 49 points. As per reports shared by NACAT, both vehicles performed well under side impact tests. It is to be noted that points are now awarded for front and rear seat belt reminders as well. The Made in India Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Taigun have bagged a 5-star safety rating under the latest round of crash tests conducted by Global NCAP under their new and upgraded test protocol. These mid-size SUVs, based on the same platform, are the first vehicles to score a 5-star rating for both adult and child occupants. The Made in India, Made for India MQB A0 in platform is no exception and has been internally tested for various impacts and is developed with a key focus on safety. He is confident that this recognition will help continue the brand's growth momentum. For more information about Skoda Kushaq and Volkswagen Taigun, please subscribe Motorcar India. Please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friends, comment me which type of car buying question you have.